OrCAD X now gives you web viewers with design review and markup for PCB and Schematic. You can open any project or design from a shared workspace. The Schematic viewer shows you the entire project structure in pages. You can select any object in the schematic to view the properties and associated data. The PCB viewer also lets you select any object in the PCB to view the properties and any other associated data with the object. The visibility panel lets you control the display of the objects and layers so you can see exactly what you need. You can use the measure command to determine the spacing between any two objects in your PCB layout. Design review and markup is available in both the PCB and the schematic viewers. This allows you to graphically indicate an area of the design and annotate verbal instructions or questions. The design review and markup is immediately available to the shared design opened in the OrCAD X desktop, enabling real-time collaboration between web participants and desktop designers. Desktop users can react to the review comments, and web participants will immediately get the feedback. You can take advantage of all of this with OrCAD X.